that we now have completed elections in the 21 local government areas of Anambra State. I'm going to give the details of the result as out in the result sheet, starting from the number of registered voters to the total votes cast. In this Anambra 2021 election, governorship election, we have 2,246,638 as the total registered voters. 2,466,638 total registered voters as collated here. Number of voters accredited: 253,388. 3525338. Votes received by parties: 38, 2054, 2054. AA 3, AAC 588 588. No free, please. The 3 is for 588. ABC 324. 324. ADP 773. 773. ADC 43285. 43285. APGA 112229. 112229. APM 301. 301. APP 139. 139. BP 186. 186. LP 2802. 2802. NNPP 117. 117. NRN 213. 213. PDP 53807. 53807. PRP 437. 437. SDP 842. 842. YPP 21261. 21261. ZLP 2082. 2082. Total valid votes 241523. 241523. Rejected votes 8109. 8108. Sorry. 8108. 8108. Sorry. Total votes cast 249 631. 249 631. Please, can I have the party agents come out and sign the results? Can I have the agents agent for party A party.
Because they're on line on live.
No.
Ma ihe na-eme ugbu a bụ na ndị pati ejenti niile ga-abịa binye aka n'akwụkwọ ka adọkanye ha nke bekee na-akpọ kọpị nke ha n'ihe a niile agụpụtara ugbu a. Ya bụ ịna-anya kịta ndị na-apụta bụ ndị pati ejenti niile ndị nọ ebe a.
APC, APGA.
Senator Victor Ume bụ pati ejenti ndị APGA ebinitela ugbu a. Unu n'anya ihu na o wenyere aka elu nke na-egosi mmeri tupu ọnọdụ ala wee binye aka n'akwụkwọ nke ya. Akpọọla ndị APC mana ha apụtaghị. A ka na-akpọkwa pati dị iche iche ha na-apụta otu otu na-ebinye aka n'akwụkwọ. Stanley Onwako, anọ m ajụjụ na-ajụ kịta ka ihe a na-eme vidiyo a bụ live vidiyo. Ihe ị na-ahụ ugbu a na-eme ugbu a. Ejenti ndị PDP apụtala ugbu a binye aka n'akwụkwọ. Unu na-anya na-ahụ na ọtụtụ pati ndị ejenti ha nọrọ ebe a ibinye aka, mana ụfọdụ nọkwa na-anọ, ọkacha APC ebiniteghị bịa binye aka na ya bụ akwụkwọ.
SDP, YPP, ZLP,
Ugbu a ndị pati niile ebinyechala aka n'akwụkwọ ahụ iji gosi na ha hụrụ ihe emere na ya bụ ntuli aka. Naanị APC ebinyeghị aka, mana anyị APC nọ ebe a. YPP ebinyeghị aka, mana amaghị m na ejenti ha ọ nọ ebe a. Ọ bụkwanụ naanị ha, o nwere ọtụtụ ndị pati ejenti ha na-anọghị ebe a n'ụwa nke ha ga-eji wee binye aka n'akwụkwọ. Mana ihe dị mkpa bụ na ndị gbara ndị nke abụọ bụ PDP ebinyela aka n'akwụkwọ. Prọfesọ Florence Obi na-ebinyezi aka nke ya ugbu a. Ọ ga-esi ya nke bekee kpọrọ stampụ ya ka ọ na-eme ugbu a. O sụchaa ya, ọ ga-enyezi ndị pati ejenti ahụ kọpị nke ha, onyechazie ha, ọ ga-agwazi anyị okwu. Na-esonyesi anyị ike na BBC News Igbo. Ana m ahụ ọtụtụ n'ime unu. Martin Beck Nwora, ị na-ekiri anyị, ndewo. O nwere nke si UK na-ekiri anyị, Michael Onyeka Agwụncha. Igbo esi na Anambra abụghị Imo. Okwu ahụ nwekwara ka ọ dị o. Onwere ka Anambra ga-esi bụ Imo, ha na-abụ abụghị otu steeti. Ọ dị mma, na-esonyesi anyị ike. Chimex ịsịrị na ụfọdụ pati ga-eje n'ụlọ ikpe, mana ọnya nwa bụ ihe ọchịchị onye kwuo uche ya ji dị mma. Ọ bụrụ na ihe mere adịghị gị mma, ije n'ụlọ ikpe jee kpesa ka ekpee ya ọfụma, ọ bụ itigbo ụzọ gboo. Chidera Aneke, ndewo. Ugbu a na-esu ha ncha niile stampụ, maka na pati ọbụla e nyere kọpị nke ha, ọ ga-ebunye bụ stampụ iji gosi na ihe a mere ebe a bụ otu esi chọọ ka o mee. Nsọ ya na bekee si na ọ dị authentic. Nwata anaghị eze oke nwa, ndewo, ị na-ekiri anyị. Dị mma, kesaa vidiyo anụnwa, kesaa live vidiyo anụnwa ka ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ hụ na emechala ya bụ ntuli aka, mana ọ ka fọrọ ya bụ okwu ikpeazụ onye ọbụla na-eche ka ọ pụta n'ọnụ Collation Officer, State Collation Officer bụ Prọfesọ Florence Obi, mana ọ gaghị ekwu ya n'oge na-adịghị anya. Ọ dị mma, o nyewela ha kọpị nke ha ugbu a. Ụlọ nkịta onye akpụ okpu na-acha ọbara ọbara bụ okpu mmemme bụ pati ejenti ndị APC. O werela akwụkwọ nke ya mana o kweghị binye aka na ya bụ akwụkwọ, mana o werela kọpị nke ya ugbu a. O werela ya gaa nọdụ ana. Ugbu a ekechara ya bụ kọpị, ka anyị gezie ntị mara ihe Prọfesọ Florence ga-agwazi anyị.
From ECHE, the governorship election declaration of result, and it is blank. It is blank. Nothing entered here yet. The votes received by candidates in political parties in figures and in words. We also have the names of the candidates, all arranged here, 18 of them, and their parties reflected. So in the full blood of everybody, I'm going to complete this form.
Ugbu a o doola onye ọbụla anya na pati apụga bụ ha nwa nwere vootu kacha n'ọnụọgụ na gọvanọship nke a emere na Anambra steeti. Na ugbu a Prọfesọ Florence Obi agụpụtachala ihe niile pati niile nwere, wee bụrụ ya na ọ bụ apụga nwere nke kacha, mana anyị ka ga-echekwa ka o jiri izi ọnụ ya kwuo okwu ikpeazụ, kwupụta ya ka ọ ga-esi wee dị. Ihe ọ na-eme ugbu a bụ na ọ sịrị na ya chọrọ iji aka ya depụta ihe pati ọbụla wetara, na ya ga-ede ya na mkpụrụ okwu ma sụkwa ya asụọ na bekee. Ọ wee bụrụ na anyị ka ga-egbutukwu nwa obere oge ka o depụtacha ihe ndị a niile ọ gụrụ anyị ugbu a bụ mgbakọta ihe niile pati nwetara na Anambra Governorship Election a. Ọ ga-abụ ụdị dịka pati A okwuo ihe ha nwere, pati B okwuo ihe ha nwere. Otu a ka ọ ga-esi wee na-ede ya. Ọ dị mma ka anyị gụpụtara unu ọzọ ka Prọfesọ Obi si wee kpọpụta ihe pati ọbụla nwetara na mgbakọta ha niile. Pati A nwere 2054, pati AA nwee 83, pati AAC 588, ADC 324, ADP 773, APC 43285, APGA 112229, APM 301, APP 139, BP 186, LP 2802, NNPP 117, NRM 213, PDP 53807, PRP 437, SDP 842, YPP 21261, ZLP 2082. Total valid votes 241523. Rejected votes 8108. Total votes cast 249631. Wee bụrụ ya na ọ bụrụ na ị dere ihe ndị a niile m kpọpụtara gị, ihe ọ pụtara bụ na apụ ga-agbala onye nke mbụ. Apụ ga-agbara onye nke mbụ, PDP agba ndị nke abụọ, APC agba ndị nke atọ, YPP agba ndị nke anọ, ZLP wee sobezie ha n'azụ. Otu a ka esi wee mee ntuliaka Anambra steeti. Ọ dị mma. Jiziri aka gị marụzie onye ọ bụ ya nwa tụrụ ugo na ya bụ mmeri na abalị a.
So obviously, everyone knows it's okay here. We had to come back the moment we close the former stream, and we have the stream now on. So what it means that obviously Awka has the 112, that's 112,229 votes, whereas PDP had 53,807. So basically, like half. So it's very clear. APC doesn't come into question, and the party agent didn't want to sign. So you can see the die is cast. The die is cast. The guy, the Awka party is the winner. But again, for formality's sake, they are just trying to wait for the woman, the professor there, to make the announcement. That's all. But again, that's why that is the only thing. It's just formality's sake. But from the figures she read out, 112,229, Awka has won the Anambra State Gubernatorial election 2021. Congratulations to Professor Soludo but we are just for formality's sake waiting that she announces that. I mean, you know, I don't know why things seems too cumbersome in Nigeria, honestly. So that is what the people are waiting for. It's now close to 1:30 a.m. in Nigeria, and we are all fast asleep. But Soludo will now start from today. He now will be addressed as governor-elect of Anambra State. And as expected, because APC did not sign that the form that they were given, PDP signed, meaning they are accepting. But funny enough, it appears APC is willing and ready to begin to head to court. That is going to be a very silly thing to do. And many people have been saying Anambra State is not Imo, because the Anambra State election is not in contention here. The results are very, very clear. No one printed anything in the hotel, like the case of Imo State, where fake and non-existing results were calculated and brought back to the polling unit, and the INEC officials rejected them, and police officers accepted them. So hence, once APC went to court, the aeroplane drivers were able to use that to overturn the wish of the people by electing Emeka Ihedioha. So many people are still believing that such can probably happen in Anambra. Again, when people like myself say that Imo is not Anambra, is not in any way, shape, or form derogatory. What it means is that the scenarios and the modus of operation and modus of vote in Imo is not and cannot tally with the modus in Anambra. Even if you want to form a coalition, if you get the votes of APC and PDP, put them together, it still does not even get close to what Awka had done. So if we look at the elections again, now the 2009 election was slightly below 100,000. So from all indications, if we just oppose that to last election, there is a slight drop, indicating the voter apathy. But again, it is unbelievable to think that Anambra State, with a voting population about 2.4 million, is winning election with about 110, 112,000. Now, 10% of 2.4 million is 240,000. Now, what it means, 240,000, the winner of Anambra State election won the election with roughly about 5%. Geez, this is an extreme voter apathy. And again, it comes to the things one was saying before the election, that if you boycott the election, even if 10 people came out, there will be a governor. As long as these 10 people are spread across various local government and wards, then you eventually have a governor. But I think, and I thank every one of us, that eventually reason prevailed and the people of Anambra came out to vote. And not only that, they voted, the person that they've also voted for won. So I do not believe that there is a possibility of truncating and also turning this into something else. I do not believe that will happen. But again, it remains to be seen, because the scenario and the implications and intricacies is not the same. So no one is going to do anything. I believe Soludo has won the election, and people, this INEC has to do this quickly and let people go to bed. Okay, so let them just make that pronouncement and issue Victor May. No, nothing. I don't know if Soludo is there, and issue a certificate of return, or maybe they will come to the office and take a certificate of return. I don't know how they want to do that. So obviously, Imo is not Anambra. No, I think some of you saying shame to Umahi, and what has Umahi done? He's just part of the APC. He's just, he's gone in there to contest. If the APC will give him the presidential ticket, and if PDP doesn't give an Igbo person, be rest assured that everyone would vote for him, because in terms of qualification and understanding what is needed to be done project-wise in the Southeast, of course, he knows it, and he knows what to do. Liz, it's been a very long time. I haven't heard and seen you online. Sydney Bokwe, thank you very much. To Soludo. Well, I think, I'm not a politician, but, sometimes I wish they can just let him be. Let his conscience, let his conscience flog him. If he had any, but who says he couldn't be in? I mean, he's going to be in the office till next March. So there is no reason. I mean, if Anambra want to be very, vindictive, they can actually try to remove him, impeach him, do whatever they want to do. But I think maturity, if you ask me, let them leave him. They leave him to his conscience. He has a choice. He has a, he has how do I say that? He has, he can make those choices. I mean, he's not a small boy, so he has made choices. Then he must live with the choices he made. And that choice is that he's decamped to the APC. Well, the consequences is that he is going to live with that choice that he has made, and let him live with it. But you never know, politicians, they might actually decide otherwise, and they might actually decide otherwise, and begin to do funny things. You recall that in Imo State, a couple of that was yesterday. There was an impeachment. There was a commotion in the Imo State House of Assembly. So maybe Awka is keeping quiet, and for them to know that they have this in the bag, depending on the moves APC will make. If they feel that APC is going to go to the court, you might see Awka actually trying to do an undo. What was it Akeleduru, what he did. So you might see a situation where they might want to remove him. But if probably APC plays a gentlemanly game by not doing any silly thing, there might be an agreement that, okay, it's a question of serving out 3 months, and they will leave him. But he will be rest assured that by the singular act of defecting at the last minute to the APC, what he has done for himself in the state of Anambra and in Anambra politics is that he dug his own grave, or rather, he's dug his own political grave. And the consequences is he may never, ever recover from that again. That's my candid opinion. He may never, ever recover from that. He may never recover from that. That's my candid opinion. But I keep wondering what they are writing that they never finish writing. For how many hours? Are they writing agricultural science, or are they writing biology? That they will be writing these things for the past. Bear in mind the election stopped before 5, and they started uploading before 5. Now it's to 2 here, and they are still not done. This is one state. This is one local government. It is indeed disgraceful and appalling that after so many hours, so many waiting, in the last stream, we've been sitting down here for the past 7 freaking hours, waiting for them to announce this damn thing. Wow. But again, I was told that the reason why the deputy governor, they were accused of being that APC made them offers, and they denied it, that no offers were made or no payment was made to them. Okay, not offers, there were offers made, but that no payment were made. Now, in their defense, what obviously they have been saying is that, or rather, what the defense was, yes, my understanding of what I was told is that they were made promises of paying, ensuring that even if they are sacked now until the end of the tenure, that they will be paid, and I think other stuff were promised, and they decamped. But for me, decamping in this manner, I have no issue if you're decamping, let's say if there are crises, or if you really decamped in time. But this manner of last minute decamping shows, for me personally, it shows lack of character. That's why I would respect Peter Obi so much for the way he decamped. There was crisis, he had issues, some of the structures was, taken over from him. So, but by the time, the manner he decamped was, he waited, he fought the election, won the election, then now left. For me, that is a hallmark of integrity, as opposed to a couple of weeks into an election, you pull the rug from the feet of your party. That is, for me, it marks of slight irresponsibility. But some of you will say, well, you do not understand because you're not a politician. And then I'll maybe reply to you, well, I may not understand. That's why I may not be one, because there are certain principles I think one has to uphold, no matter. I wish I understand what she's writing, honestly. I wish I understand what they are writing. She's writing number, or she's writing the certificate, I don't know. Huh? I wish I understand what she's writing. And as it is now, the video is interrupted and the video is paused. So we hope the video comes back again, and we will hopefully, let me see when they would call, because that's the only reason why we're here. We just want to hear that from the horse's mouth. Awka result is 112,229, PDP 53,807, APC 43,285, and YPP 21,261. YPP indeed did very well. So it's a character in Nigeria. Well, there ought to be character, people. Without that, there is no, you are nobody. I mean, that's my worldview. And there should be some guiding characters that should also guide us, be it politics, be it in our business lives, in whatever we do. In whatever we do, there ought to be guiding principles. So I think, hold on, let's see. I think we are, okay, hold on. I think we've been interrupted. Hold on, let's see if we can bring that in quickly. Oh, what's happened here, people? Sorry. Something is gone wrong. That's Nigeria for you. Sometimes network does its thing. So I think the woman is finished now. So let's go back again. I think the woman is finished. So maybe we are going to get the result now finally here. Oh, again, something, hold on. Everything is now kaput. Okay, people, I think, hold on. I think we are, oh dear. And they are showing Soludo in his house now. Soludo is in his house. They are showing him now. Hold on, let me quickly bring that back to us. Wow. Something is not right here. This thing keep. So they are showing Soludo now. Soludo. Jeez. People, why now? Sorry. Sorry. Okay. So let's see if we can get in and continue. Soludo is now ready. Oh, jeez. The wrong time. Everything just wants you to log on, log on, log on, log on. Okay. So it is cleared now. So let's bring that back. The moment of truth is here. The moment of truth is here, people. Thank you, everyone, for staying with us. Thank you for being there. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So let's bring you a short clip of Professor Soludo in his house, waiting for that to come true for everyone. Everyone. This is a very, very wonderful sight to behold. The professor is now already waiting in his house to be announced the winner of the election. And here we have it. The professor is waiting in his house to be announced. So let's see. So I think we need to go back. Hold on. We need to leave Soludo's house. Sorry, people. We need to leave Soludo's house. We need to go back quickly. The woman is making some announcements now. She's making some announcements. Let's go back quickly. Sorry. So we are back. 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 So the stream now is so. This is the moment of truth, people. We are. This is the moment of truth. Something is still. What's wrong? The internet is really crap.
It's called 11229.
Okay, that's it.
What votes? Candidates 11. Akasimalu Opiora Emmanuel. It's called 2802. 2,802 votes. Candidate 12. Ohajimbo Jonas Emeka, male, of NNPP. People 117, 117 votes. Candidate number 13. Again, Malcolm Abel Kula Victor, male, of NRL. Vote 213, 213 votes. Candidate number 14, Valentine Chineto Odin, male, of PPP. Small 53807, 53,807 votes. Candidate number 15, Namdi Nwabo, male, of PRP. It's called 437, 437 votes. Candidate number 16, Uzo Obina Chukwudo Gavin, male, of SDP. It's called 161 votes. Candidate number 18. Okonkwo Obiora Francis, male, of Zeka, is found 2082. 2082 votes. That Charles Sukuma
Soludo, what will be Soludo? What's it?
APGA, having satisfied the requirement of the law, is
Pop,
hereby
pop, pop,
declared
pop,
the winner
pop, pop, pop,
and is
pop, pop,
returned
champagne.
elected.
Pop, 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 champagne.
And is signed by the returning officer. Thank you very much.
Pop, 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 champagne. Pop, 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 pop,
Igbo
pop,
na-anụgo
pop,
ka ya bụ
something.
ihe
Pop,
si
pop, pop,
wee
pop,
gaa
pop, pop,
tata
pop, pop,
na
something.
ekwula ya
Pop, pop,
gbowam
pop, pop,
na
pop, pop,
prọfesọ
something.
Charles
Pop, 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 pop,
Chukwuma Soludo
pop, pop,
emeriela na
so let's go
ya
back
bụ
to Soludo's house now.
Apụ ga-agachikwa ọzọ, ọ ga-eme ha vam n'anya, ọ ga-eme ha vam n'anya, ọ ga-eme ha vam n'anya. Apụ ga-agachikwa ọzọ, ọ ga-eme ha vam n'anya. APGA, apụga,
So you can see that the result has been announced. So congratulations, Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo, for obviously winning that election. Now let's see if we can get the Soludo in his house now, celebrating. You can see Victor May having collected that now, and Victor May is happy. Wow, wow, what a day. It's what all the waiting. What a day, what a day, what a day, people. We have waited for so long, indeed, so long, and at last we are here. We are here, and we are here at the final bus stop. And I say, congratulations once more, Professor Chukwuma Sisi Soludo. That is Professor Sisi Soludo Chukwuma Charles, or Charles Chukwuma Soludo, whichever one comes first. You know, it's been a good time, and obviously a lot is now happening in Sofia. We are wanting to bring you that live feed once more from Sofia, what is happening there. Whoa, a lot of party is happening now at Sofia. Let's quickly bring you what is happening in Sofia. I say, who can battle with the Lord? They are singing at his house. Who can battle with the Lord? So obviously, let's quickly switch over to that, and we are going to bring you the party. You can also join that party virtually. Who can battle with the Lord? That's what Soludo is singing now in his house. Obviously, overjoyed. Soludo is now singing. Oh dear, what again? The internet is done it again. The internet is frozen once more. This is unbelievable. That is, the signal. I don't know if it's, it's midnight actually. Everything should be free now. Everything should be super fast. There shouldn't be all these obstructions. Be it anywhere now, it should be so fast. But for some weird reason, Nigeria must happen to everything we do. Nigeria must happen to everything with them. So let's see once more. Let's try once more and see if we can bring you that wonderful and heartwarming video. Okay, yes, finally we are there, and this is it. The hour has come. This is Soludo celebrating in his house. It is now official, people. Soludo. It is now official, people. Soludo is now the governor-elect of Anambra State. There is no if, there is no but. And I must once more thank you all, everyone who joined us all this while. Let's see once more. I think there is another one. It's a very short video, but let's quickly see if we can bring it to you so that you see how joyful Professor Chukwuma Sisi Soludo was in this as that was announced. Now, Soludo, please come once more. You can see that here. Everyone, all the reporters are here. Everyone is waiting. So congratulations you for staying awake to watch, and congratulations to all of us. Congratulations to all the contenders. Congratulations to Val Ozibo, Ifani Oba, Andy Oba, Maduka, for being all of you statesmen, for the fantastic contest. No really, there was nothing that happened in between. Everyone really stayed on their lane, except the one or two issues of insecurity. But be that as it may, it has paid off now, because Anambra State now has a governor-elect in the person of Professor Chukwuma Soludo. Indeed, a wonderful, wonderful time to be Onye Anambra. For the will of the people has not been subverted. The people spoke, and the electoral empire did their best. Everyone, thank you once more for being part of this stream. And again, as it is now, we will try to catch some sleep, but you can see that the die is cast, and Professor Chukwuma Soludo has been declared the winner of that election. And with this, the election is now officially come to an end by this singular pronouncement. But let's join, I think Victor is granting some press interview. Let's quickly join and listen to what Victor has to say. Then we'll draw the curtain here. Again, the internet behaves.
People who we know ourselves. Somebody who is from outside do not come and tell us who will be our government. We love ourselves, but we know who is the best at any point in time. And that makes us nnukwu ụbọchị na ndụ ndị Igbo maka ndọrọndọrọ nke mere Anambra steeti. Eburu agha wee bata ka emeri anyị n'ike. Anyị wee dọrọsi ụkwụ ike na wee zọọ onwe anyị. Ndị kpọkụ haza wee mara na onye ọbụla ga-ejidesi nke ike. Abịa pati ndị be anyị, ka anyị ga-ekwu okwu na Naịjirịa. Ebe a gbagoro mbọ niile agbalị na ndị chọrọ ka a chụpụ anyị n'ike, ndị be anyị ajụ na pati a dịgoro pụtakwa ịchọfụ pati ya ma kwado na ndị Igbo niile ka anyị jikọọ onwe anyị ọnụ, anyị were na-aga. Ndị bịara ọgụ a n'ike ịkpasuwela ọdọrọ mma ịkpasuwela maka ọ duru na wee naanị iji gwaba na Anambra steeti bụ obodo siri ike. Anambra steeti bụ ebe ndị Igbo nwere ntụkwasị obi Anambra steeti mba na-edu ndị Igbo mba na-ebu ụzọ ndị ọzọ wee sonye ọ bụrụ na abịa kwatuo anyị ịma na-akwatugo anyị Igbo niile ọ ka anyị ji wee tachie eze ọnya kwuo okwu ya bụ na ana m asị ọ dịrịba mma.
So for those of you asking when they will take office, they will take office in March. Amen.
Anambra steeti onye kala aka Igbo niile ma nke ọ na-eme maka di mkpata aka anyị chere ya ndị Igbo amago na onye wepụtara ijele ka ọ bụ ọ ga-ejere anyị ozi ọ ga-arụrụ anyị ọrụ ọ ga-ewetara anyị ọganihu ọ ga-ejikọ ndị Igbo ọnụ maka ọ ma ihe bụ mkpa ndị Igbo ma ihe ọka ndị Anambra steeti ya bụ na ọ ga-adịrị anyị mma nnọpụta nke e mere Chineke gọziri ya agọzi wee ga-etosi ya na-asịzi ndị niile ya na ya dọrọ mpịa gba weliere ya aka elu kwalịa aka na ịbịa anya ama ọka chara acha ọ bụgoro ihe niile kwuru ekwu na ndị Igbo dị aka ma ọ bụ onye a onye ga-arụ ọrụ ọfụma ya na-ekelekwa na ha agbanigo o nwere ndị gbanere ji obi ọcha wee gbanye ya nwee ndị ga-eji obi ọjọọ ndọrọ ndọrọ onye ọra wetu obi ka marụ na anaghị emefu ụwa n'ike onye Chineke si na ọ ga-aga nye ma ga-aga onye o si na ọ gaghị aga nchere oge ọzọ oge mgbe Chineke chọrọ ọ gaa mana nke taata bụ ọnwa ọchụchụ ma Soludo na-eti onye chụchụ so ekpebie ya ụkwa n'oge ọ daa ka anyị kwadie mmadụ kwadie na-ekpere ekpere ozi ozi a maka abịa anụnwa bụ pati Chineke gọziri ndị Igbo onye ọ na-aba n'ọchịchị ya ka o were oge Chineke rụta ọrụ dịrị ya nụ ọ bụrụ sọsọ okporo ụzọ na mmepe ọ ga-abụ onye ndu n'ala Igbo na Chineke kwadie nyere ya aka mee ka mmadụ chọrọ irefu ya n'anya ndị emeriri emeri agbanwe obi ọ na ihe a na-ekwu abụrụ Igbo ọ bụrụ sọ mmadụ ga-eri ya dịrị ndị Igbo mma.
Amen. So, some of you who are saying you wish this is happening in Imo State, if you wish to decamp to Anambra, you have enough room. We can accept you. By all means, with open hands, we can accept all of you. Imo, if you want to become Anambra. But in 2023, you can obviously do the needful. And Mazi, I have subscribed to Dale. So you've been watching free, you haven't subscribed, and today you've subscribed. Okay, thank you very much. You have finally subscribed because Soludo won. Okay, I hope you are not among those attacking me or with no erection that we should boycott election. You know, as they say, what a wise man and what an elderly man sees standing or sitting, when the young ones climb the Iroko tree, they might not have a glimpse of what the old man is saying. So when we say, please, be whatever, we must go to this election, let us elect the right candidate. Now we have done part one. Part two will commence immediately he's been sworn in. We must begin to help him hold his feet to fire, make sure he delivers on promises. It's not that he's been elected and every one of us will go to bed. No. The job is not yet done. Our job is not cut out for another 2 years to ensure that governance is provided to the people of Anambra State. And on that note, I will say to us, thank you once more, everyone, for joining me. And it has been a wonderful time. And I will say once more for the second time, good night, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. I am still Mazi Zoka, and this is Njenje Media TV. Join us tomorrow as we will be bringing you the live coverage when Mazi Nambikano comes to Oh, I said join us tomorrow. Join us today. See? Join us today as we bring you the live coverage of Mazen Nandikano appearing in court in the next couple of hours. I am still Mazes, okay? Once more, good night, everyone. Bye-bye.